Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now I have owned my Tesla Model 3 for almost 2 years now, and I've done a pretty dang good job at keeping it as spotless as possible, almost obsessively. Well, about 2 weeks ago, while I was washing my car, to my surprise, I found a freaking scratch right on the back of the car. Now I have no clue how this happened. I don't think foul play was involved because my Sentry mode would have picked something like that up. So I assume this happened while I was driving. Probably something came off the road and scratched the car. Now my OCD would not have this. I didn't really want to take it to a body shop and pay all that money just to fix such a small scratch. Luckily on the Tesla app, they actually sell a home paint repair kit. So I bought it and it just arrived today. And I figured I would record me hopefully fixing the scratch because content. Now if you own a Tesla Model 3 or Model Y, make sure you hang out to the very end of the video because I'm doing my very first giveaway. And the item is for the Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. But anyways guys, let's get this box open and check it out. So I have the instructions right here. So let's try to do this without screwing up. And if I mess this up, at least I've got it on camera, and maybe you guys are watching may not make the same mistake I do. So, all right, paint repair kit instructions. So let's just read this together. Clean and dry surface, which we've kind of already done. Rubbing alcohol may be used to remove dirt or wax from the affected area. Always wear gloves and appropriate eye protection in a well-ventilated area. Work in small 15-centimeter sections until you understand the process and to ensure you don't run out of blending solution. Again, this is a pretty small area, so we shouldn't have the problem of running out of solution. Step number 2, oh shoot, sorry. Well, I guess step number 1, actually. Apply. Shake paint well, dab a small amount of paint next. Should say next, I guess. Good job, guys. Typo. Shake well, dab a small amount of paint next to the chip using the brush applicator. Immediately apply the paint flat across the chip using the enclosed beveled squeegee. So I guess we put a dab of paint just above the blemish and kind of move the paint down. Make sure paint is applied flat. It should be dry to the touch within a few minutes. Okay. Apply the paint flat across the chip is important. Applying the paint flat across the chip is important. The paint should be ready for step 2 after a few minutes, but may remain up to an hour before starting step 2. Alright guys, last step is step 2, remove. Shake the blending solution and liberally moisten 2-centimeter section of the included wiping cloth. Using light pressure with an open, flat hand, rub around the dried paint smeared area with the cloth to blend away excess paint that is around the chip. Don't scrub, let the chemical do its work. Reapply blending solution as necessary to keep cloth moist. Do not blend over the chip area as this will remove desired repair. Once all the excess paint is removed around the chip, immediately hand buff the area to a shine using the enclosed microfiber towel. Repeat entire process as necessary. So it sounds like once we get the paint on it, we're going to take that blending solution and wipe away all the excess paint, and being careful not to get that stuff into the actual scratch itself, because that will just remove all of our hard work. So let's do it. Of course, guys, safety first. Here's our paint. Give it a good shake. So paint is applied just to the top. Take the squeegee and just run it just down. I'm just kind of working it into the area. Okay. Paint is applied to the area. We'll give it just a few minutes and then we will go to step 2. So we've got our blending solution. So let's do this. It said liberally, so we got some on there, so let's do this. So just kind of so once it's wiped, immediately take this and just go nuts with it. Huh, that looks pretty good actually. Yeah, that looks really good. I will probably go over this. You can kind of barely see the scratch still. That looks way better than when I first started. I'll probably go over this a few more times just to kind of layer that paint into that scratch to hopefully make it more flush. But yeah, this is an awesome start. We'll be right back. Let me lay it on a couple more layers and we'll see how it goes. So guys, here is the end result. You can still kind of see it, especially on certain angles, but I do think it helped quite a bit. I don't think you could ever 100% fix it unless you took it to like a body shop or something. But you know, for just doing this at your house, you know, I think it did pretty good. Again, it's still somewhat visible on certain angles, but it did mask it a little bit. But guys, that's all for today. If you've tried this repair kit on your own car before, let me know how it went in the comments down below. And if you're an owner of a Tesla Model 3 or Model Y, make sure you are subscribed to this channel because I'm giving away to one lucky viewer a pair of these Tesla seat neck pillows. To enter, just make sure you are subscribed to the channel and leave a like and comment on the video. And I'll announce a winner in about a month. But guys, stay safe and have a good one.